We're gonna get so wet. Oh my god. So we are officially at Niagara Falls today, and we're about to do the boat tour, but I wanted y'all to get a really good view of that. See, it's not as gloomy today, y'all. It's not as gloomy. We're gonna walk along it, see what's here. That's the drop. I don't know if you can see the boat people over there, but that's what we'll be doing. Ours doesn't start until 2:30 to 3:30, so we had some time to kill, so we came and looked. This is like where you can eat, and they have like eating area right on the other side right here. I'm so sorry if the video's wet a little bit, but it's because you see people are eating over there. All right, so my glasses are so wet.
Go down there.
Oh wow! Yeah, that's where we're gonna be. Okay, let me ask my family if they're excited. Gianna, are you excited? Chuck, are you excited? I'm so scared. I'm getting more and more scared. We're gonna get so wet. Oh my god. All right, so we're still walking, but I just wanted to show y'all that the zip lining cord is right here, and then the boat ride that we're gonna do is right down here. So it's a little bit of ways from the actual falls that we're doing over there, but that's like the boat takes you all the way over there. So this is where we'll load up on the boat. Oh my gosh, also note to self, if you're having a picnic out here, which a lot of people do, they have picnics. If you're having a picnic, make sure you have like the proper containers to fight against these seagulls. These birds are like swooping down and taking people's food. Also, there are like squirrels here. They're very dark, like their skin or their fur is dark, and they're not afraid to go right up to you. So remember that. Oh, this is where you get on the zip line. Right there. Right there. I'll make sure to put pricing, but I think it was $55 for that. So if you want to do that, that's what that is. The views are nice. The views are extremely nice. They have all these, you can pay money, get on that. That's the US side. That's the land of my people. That's where I'm from. All right, hopefully we will be on the boat next time you see us. ponchos. Mine's a Gucci poncho.
Mine's a Louis Vuitton.
She's got a Louis Vuitton poncho, and that's Balenciaga. I'm joking. All right, so we're here, and the falls are back there. This is the line you have to stand in to actually get on the boat ride. Oh my gosh, and there's a cloud right above us. Oh, it was such a pretty day out earlier, but it's gonna be okay. We're gonna get drenched. We're really gonna get drenched, and I'm so excited. And I know I keep hyping it up and saying we're gonna finally do it, but we are really gonna finally do it. The line is moving right now. Let me ask my family how they feel. I'm nervous. I'm scared and nervous.
I'm scared and excited.
Scared and excited.
I'm excited.
No scared? Just just excited. Okay. Well, let's see how we all feel afterwards. Oh my gosh, look at these little kids. They're gonna do it too. Ah, so exciting. All right, so I'm finally done with the city cruise boat tour, and I'm gonna give y'all a fun fact about the American Falls. They said that the American Falls is gonna continue to erode, and it's just gonna be rapids. So let me see if I can show y'all. It's going to eventually just be, hand, where you at? It's gonna eventually just be that right there. So all that will continue to just erode and then be gone. So I don't know how that's gonna work. I guess it's all just gonna keep falling. I don't know, but I was like, I know I'm not trying to be over there when that happens. Our boat was right there. See where that boat's at? That's where our boat was. So you'll see all the footage from there. That was crazy. But yeah, so I recorded all the restaurants, and then there's a gift shop right when you come out that you can buy like t-shirts and a whole bunch of stuff. You can also come eat at this restaurant, Queen Elizabeth. Is it Queen Elizabeth or Queen Victoria? Queen Victoria Place, and have a great view of the Niagara Falls. So while you eat, I think that's gonna be really cute. We're gonna go get some food. I don't know where we're gonna get some from. I gotta see if they do reservations because it looks like a fancy restaurant. I'm trying to think of what I didn't go over. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off now. I've done a lot of recording, and this will be the Niagara Falls recording of the boat ride and seeing it. The rest of it will be of the little mini Las Vegas strip that they have over here. It's like lit up at night. They have Ripley's Believe It or Not, the Wax Museum, they have all that, Benihana, so many options of different things. But yeah, so that's over there. I'll show y'all that later. But this is gonna be our long walk back to the car, and I feel like I'm out of breath, and I don't want y'all listening to me huffing and puffing. That's embarrassing. But it's just so beautiful. So I'm just gonna end the video off now. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you can make it out to Niagara Falls and ride that boat ride down there, I totally recommend. Totally do it. Like, so worth it. It was only $35 or $33 Canadian. So it's a good option. All right, thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope my family enjoys this video because this is our family vacation.